Now, after the explosive letter from former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh levelling corruption allegations against Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and opposition party in the state, BJP is demanding the resignation of Anil Deshmukh. The allies in the Maha Vikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra is likely to meet today and decide on the way forward to control the situation from spiralling into a threat for the government. The NCP chief Sharad Pawar held a slew of separate meetings with Shiv Sena as well as the Congress and his party colleagues yesterday in the national capital, with Julio Ribeiro declining to accept the request for being an independent investigator. The government is now looking for another suitable candidate.
चाहे कोई भी कुछ भी कहे, कुछ भी बोले, कोई भी आरोप करे, महाराष्ट्र की महाविकास आघाड़ी की सरकार का बाल भी बाका नहीं होगा। आप कितने भी उछालो, आप कितने भी आरोप करो, आप कितनी भी केंद्रीय जांच एजेंसी को मुंबई महाराष्ट्र में भेज दो, लेकिन सरकार अपना कार्यकाल पूरा करेगी।
Well, we have Arvind joining us for more on this. Arvind, we just heard Sanjay Raut saying that nothing can go wrong as long as Uddhav Thackeray is the chief minister with this meeting that's being planned today. What can we expect?
Yeah, Divya, after Sanjay Raut's meeting with NCP chief Sharad Pawar at his residence in the national capital yesterday, today what we are seeing is a big shift on the stand of Shiv Sena on Anil Deshmukh issue. In fact, Sanjay Raut, while addressing media today, has said that it is the duty of the opposition parties to level allegation, but that does not mean that a minister can be made to resign based on this allegation just like that. If that's the case, then the government cannot run. So this clearly makes it clear that even Shiv Sena has taken the line similar to NCP's line, that there is no question of Anil Deshmukh resigning merely based on the allegations that have been levelled by Parambir Singh. In fact, while speaking to media yesterday, Sharad Pawar had in fact questioned the timing of Parambir Singh's allegations against Anil Deshmukh, saying that Parambir Singh had come up with all these allegations only after he was shifted from Commissioner of Mumbai to Home Guard. And he also said that though these allegations are serious, it merits a probe, but that does not mean that Anil Deshmukh can be made to resign, because he also made it clear that the prerogative of this decision can be taken only by the Uddhav Thackeray, who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and then he'll be having a meeting with the alliance partners on this regard. So what we are hearing today is that Shiv Sena has also taken a similar stand of NCP, saying that there is no question of Anil Deshmukh resigning merely because of the allegations that have been levelled by Parambir Singh. What we are expecting, what we are hearing from our sources, that yesterday Sharad Pawar had suggested that a person like Julio Ribeiro should be appointed as an independent investigator to look into the allegation. With Julio Ribeiro declining to accept this request from Sharad Pawar, what we are being told is that now the Maharashtra government is looking for a suitable candidate to appoint as an independent investigator to look into all these allegations as an interim measure. And what we are being told is that only after the outcome of that particular probe, a decision on Anil Deshmukh will be taken. Divya?